I was in U.S. Navy. I joined in September 1978. I did 5 years. I got out in December of 1983. I was a seaman, and then I was a boatswain's mate. I was on board a supply ship tanker. I ran fuel rigs and cargo rigs, and it was a dangerous job and a hard-working job, but I enjoyed it, and actually I kind of miss it. I come back home to the automotive industry and worked there for 25 years or better, and I did manufacturing, did a lot of manufacturing jobs, ran a lot of different machinery, and unfortunately, that's all gone away in our area. I lost my job. It just seemed like the roof started leaking. It did damage to the walls, damage to the floors. My bills were more than I was bringing in, and so all the damage that was being done, I was just trying to cover the bills, and I could not keep up with the upkeep of the house also, and try to pay the bills. And so my kitchen's being repaired, my roof's being repaired, my floor's being repaired, bathroom, I do some work too, my sidewalk. When the roof was leaking, it was running down my chimney. The water was running down into the ceiling and also running down my chimney into my furnace. So I haven't had a furnace for a couple of years, and I've been heating the home with my stove and electric space heater, so that's gonna be great to have a furnace back and have some heat in my house. Sometimes it gets pretty cold in the winter, here in Michigan, and that'd be great when I get my furnace going again, before the winter.
So we'll be fixing this.
Yeah, that's from the water damage.
Yeah, it came through the ceiling there, and then ran off the cupboards and found a low spot here, is where it sat, and rotted away the floor.
And that's Habitat, I've known about. Actually, Habitat built a home right down the street from where I live here, and I had heard a lot about it, what a great organization they are and how they help people in need, and I always thought, they had a great reputation. And anything I ever heard about them was always great, people always had great things. And we have a restore here in our town, and when I did the work to my house, when I was putting it on the market, that's where I bought a lot of the stuff for my house. It was very reasonable, and so I've known about Habitat for quite a while now, I think they're a great place, you know, great organization. What Home Depot is doing for my house is just unbelievable. Everyone I talk to is just like, wow. And the same way I feel. I think it's awesome, and it's taken me from almost going to a homeless shelter to having a comfortable house to live in and being able to pay my bills again, and that's great. I think that's great.